In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3211 using resetter or adjustment programs. First, before you download these adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download these resetter or adjustment programs, the link on pinned comments. After you download the file, you can just right-click and choose extract here. You can using program like WinRAR and or 7C. Open the resetter folder, then you can run the adjustment programs. Please click select button in here and select L3211 and click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button and select was ink pad counter and click OK. Please tick on main pad counter option, then you can click check button. After that, you can click initialize button. If you face error in here, you can repeat the resetting process until the resetter works. And make sure your printer is connected into your computers. After the resetter works, you can turn off the resetter programs and you can turn off your printer. After for a while, you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.